Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide any particular column in Excel. So guys, if you want to hide any particular column, so firstly select that column. Then in Home tab you will see cells. So click on Format and here you will see option Visibility, Hide and Unhide. So here are some options like Hide Row, Hide Column, Hide Sheet. So just click on Hide Column. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple steps we can know how to hide column in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. And if you want to unhide, so again click here and click on Unhide Column. So like this you can hide and unhide column in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.